Hello everyone. So today we will see about how to open an account in 1xBet. So first we are going to the browser, any type of browser, Chrome, Opera, UC browser or phone browser. So type 1xBet APK and search. Then we can see 1xBetmobile.com, how to install it. So first download app 1xBet. We click on, there is the download option. If I already have downloaded it, so now we are going to 1xBet portal. When we open it, there are two options in here, login and registration option. So we click registration option. Here we can see in one click option by phone, the full, and by social media option. So we can tap one click option. Here we can see the country details, currency, and select bonus. Here we can see sport, casino, or 1xBet or rejected bonus. There are many types, and you can select any types of. There is the promo code, and we confirm this button. It's a one click option. Here we can see another option is by phone. We can type phone number, another type of phone number here, any type of, and currency option. Then it's a promo code and sport bonus is the option. Then the full option is full registration option. Here we can see the full registration option is surname, first name, religion, country, date of birth, account setting, email address, repeat password, and receive email, receive everything are in. There's the another option. And the by social media, social network is many type of BK, Google, OK, Myopia, and Telegram, any type of social media. That's here. So we are going to the one click account. uh, uh, we have everything in it. We confirm that, then we click right option. Here we can see registration successfully, and our username and password is. I can copy it or screenshot it, then click next. Here is my username, password, and this is the account, the one click account. Here is my account. Fill in personal details. If I can fill my personal profile, is everything are in. That's all.